What's going on, guys? Jonny Bubbles here, back with another video. This time it's to announce the winner of our Best of 2018 sneaker giveaway for the month of July. But before I go ahead and do that, guys, it's a whole new month and we got a whole new shoe. So for August, we're gonna be giving away a pair of red toe Jordan 1s, a 3-brush laundry system, and a pack of sneaker wipes. So go ahead and enter by going in the description below, doing all the steps, guys. I think you have like 5 or 6 different ways to enter. Like, why wouldn't you want to win? It's a free pair of sneakers. You already know how we're doing it. Like, come on, guys, do it. I wish I could win. Rich, could I enter, bro? No? See, I can't even win a bread toe. Like, that's not even fair. But anyways, guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and announce the winner of July. All right, let's hit it. Boom! Yo, shout out to Jake Ortega from Santa Maria, California. You are the winner for the month of July. Make sure you respond to our email because we sent you an email. If you don't respond within 24 hours, we're gonna have to choose someone else. So don't be that person unless you want to be that person and give someone else a chance to win, because that would be pretty dope, honestly. I wish I could win, but I can't. But anyways, guys, that's gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so that way you are notified every time we do one of these sick giveaways. It's gonna happen the rest of the year. All right, guys? I'm Jonny Bubbles. I'll see you guys next time.